Welcome to my closet. Ooh. It's back. It's back. It's back. It's back. Are you excited? Because I'm excited. Hit that like button. God bless it. BS Baking, episode 4. Are y'all ready? Episode 4, okay? And it's Halloween. Happy Halloween, everybody. And per the title, you remember the smoothie you did? The breakfast smoothie. Today, we are doing the Halloween candy smoothie. If you're ready, hit that like button. Let's go. We're bringing up the smoothie maker. Blender. Are you ready? Because God knows I'm not. Welcome back to Getting Diabetes with Nick GH. Oh, sitting in the car? Wait, is this kind of video? No, I'm playing. No, we're not doing this today. All right, bring it back to the apartment.
A few moments later.
Oh, y'all here already? All right, you ready for the video? Okay, I wasn't ready. We got the blender, and happy Halloween, everybody. Okay, I'm trying to push this video out for you last minute, and it's episode 4 of BS Baking. It's been a couple months since we had one of these, but as you can see today, my costume. You can comment under below what it is. I'll give you 3 seconds.
And his name is John C.
Okay, if you couldn't tell, I'm Nick from the Flu Crew channel, alright? I know, great costume. You might be wondering, how is he gonna make a smoothie with just some Halloween candy? Well, you've come to the right place. We have Reese's, Kit Kat, we got the Payday for you non-chocolate loving people, and then everyone's least favorite candy of this time of year, candy corn. And you can't make a smoothie with just candies, right? So this is what we're gonna do today. Any other suggestions for the smoothie besides just the candies and water? Any other suggestions? Are you guys even ready for the video? You hit that like button. Water. See, look, that's the perfect amount of water. You want 40% in there, okay? Tips from Nick. You have to put the Reese's in first. Otherwise, you're not doing it right, okay?
Who was calling me? Oh, my video.
Alright, and candy number 2, the Reese's. Comment your favorite candy on Halloween. Comment that down below. You're still watching the video. I said comment that down below and then come back. You throw the Reese's in there. Plastic everything. Okay, yes, the Payday. Alright, we put that in there. If you can guess, real quick, if you can guess what I'm dressing up as tonight for Halloween, comment that down below. So this is what we're gonna do. Pick up the camera. Every one of these that I make in there, you gotta like the video. Okay?
LeBron James.
That one was close, wasn't it? Oh, look at that! I knew it! Okay, what else do we need in this smoothie?
Got you.
Go back and watch this video too, link down below.
Oh, yeah.
We got the crown. We knew we'd bring this back out at some point this fall. And don't look at my skin. It's not been good for me today. See, keep in the bag and everything. It keeps the taste in. Don't quote me on that. Oh my. I don't think you guys are really ready for me to taste this. It's the best BS baking video I've ever made on this channel. Even though I didn't make any of those candy corns and I'm kind of sad about it. Make sure to leave that like button. Tricks. Oh, tricks. What do people, what's fall? Cinnamon. All right. Ooh, look, just a dibble. You want to blend up one knife in there, you know, Halloween type stuff. All right. Okay, and our smoothie is ready to go. Before I do this, I want you to take a moment to go subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed. We just released some fire past videos, but today we're releasing another one for you, crunching out this video hours before posting it. See, this is what we're doing. We're taking time away from our schoolwork and getting ready for Halloween to put out this video for you. So subscribe to this channel.
3, 2, 1.
Look at that. Looks like a regular chocolate smoothie or something like that. I don't know. Beer, using the beer cup, sorry.
You smell the alcohol?
Yeah. Happy Halloween.
Yes, sir.
Oh! Don't do this at home. I was gonna say do it at home, but don't. Anyway, so this is a little Halloween video. It's spooky dooky season. I hope you're spooked by this video. It's November now. When you're watching this, it's gonna be the end of Halloween. You're gonna be getting ready to go out, and then it's gonna be November. Then it's gonna be food season. Okay, see you. Midnight hits, November 1st hits. We hanging up Christmas stuff. Let's go.